to Bedtime Tales and Dreams, and let our bedtime story carry you into the sweetest dreams. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so Little Whale can share more sweet stories with you. Now, are you ready for tonight's story? Hey kids! In the sizzling kitchen, Speedy Quick Chili is racing to finish in 3 minutes, while Mellow Slow Potato is still simmering away. Who will win the big cook-off? Let's taste the surprise. The cooking contest, Quick Chili and Slow Potato. In a bustling little kitchen, a cooking contest was announced. All the vegetables in the garden were excited to participate. The contest was to see who could make the most delicious dish. 2 friends, Quick Chili and Slow Potato, decided to join the fun. Quick Chili was known for being fast and energetic. As soon as the contest was announced, she rushed to the kitchen. She gathered her ingredients and started chopping them up quickly. I have to be the fastest and make the best dish, she thought, her heart racing with excitement. On the other side of the garden, Slow Potato was taking his time. He knew he was slower, but he believed in doing things right. He carefully washed his ingredients and started chopping them one by one. Patience is key, he thought, moving at his own steady pace. In the kitchen, Quick Chili was already flipping her ingredients in the pan. She wanted to be done quickly, so she turned the heat up high. The faster I cook, the better, she thought, stirring the pan vigorously. But in her hurry, she didn't notice that the heat was too high. Meanwhile, Slow Potato was still in the garden, carefully preparing his dish. He took his time to chop each ingredient perfectly, and then started cooking on a low heat. Slow and steady wins the race, he said to himself, smiling as he stirred his pot gently. Back in the kitchen, Quick Chili's dish was starting to smell a bit off. She looked down and saw that her vegetables were turning black. "Oh no, I've burned my dish!" she exclaimed, feeling a wave of disappointment. She had been so eager to finish quickly that she hadn't paid attention to the heat. Slow Potato, on the other hand, was making steady progress. His pot was simmering gently, and the aroma of his dish filled the air. He tasted it and smiled, knowing that his patience was paying off. A good dish takes time, he thought, continuing to cook with care. As the contest came to an end, all the vegetables gathered to see the results. Quick Chili nervously presented her burned dish, feeling embarrassed. Slow Potato, however, brought out a pot of delicious, perfectly cooked stew. The aroma was mouth-watering, and everyone could tell it was going to be amazing. The judges tasted both dishes. Quick Chili's dish was a bit bitter and not very tasty, while Slow Potato's stew was rich, flavorful, and perfectly cooked. The judges smiled and announced the winner. "The winner of the cooking contest is Slow Potato," they declared, praising his patience and attention to detail. Quick Chili felt a pang of disappointment but also admiration for her friend. She realized that being quick wasn't always the best approach. She walked over to Slow Potato and said, You did a great job. I guess I was too hasty. Slow Potato smiled and said, It's okay, Quick Chili. Sometimes taking your time can lead to better results. We all have our strengths, and yours is being fast and energetic. Just remember to pay attention to the details too. Quick Chili nodded, feeling grateful for her friend's understanding. From that day on, Quick Chili and Slow Potato continued to be friends. They learned from each other. Quick Chili became more patient, and Slow Potato learned to be a bit more efficient. They both understood that being different was what made them special. And in the end, they both became great cooks, each in their own way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. Turn on the little bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you for your support.